Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to turn on or turn off default print service in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, click on connections. Now here in connections, scroll down to the end and click on more connection settings, and here click on printing. Now here you will see a default print service button. So if you want to turn off default print service, then turn off this button, and if you want to turn on default print service, then just simply tap on this button again to turn it back on. So with the help of this button, you can turn on or turn off default print service in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.